Hey there! Today, just a quick video on how to detect collisions with a particle system. So let's start with the particle system itself. We just have a normal particle system, which is edge-shaped, so it looks like rain. So the important part for this video is down here in the section Collision. First, we enable the collision. Then we set a type to world and the mode to 2D, because it's just a 2D example here. There are also some other variables here. For example, if you increase the bounce and decrease the lifetime loss to 0, the rain particles will start to bounce off the panda. But let's keep it at 0 and 1, so the particle will disappear when it hits the panda. If you want to detect the collision by a script, you have to enable the send collision messages. And if you want to see the colliders in the scene view, you can also enable the visualize bounce. Here you can see that the colliders also depending on the size of every particle. So to detect the collision with the particle system, we have a method OnParticleCollision. This script will be attached to the player. Here we can do anything we want. For example, count the hits and then activate a speech bubble. Or if we count more hits, we can also deactivate the particle system, which is the importing game object. So if the rain starts to hit the panda, it will count up. And if we hit 20, the first speech bubble came up. And on 30, the speech bubble change and the rain stops. So, I hope you learned something new today. Subscribe to watch more tutorials and I'm sure I see you in the next.